Hello, and welcome to the very first episode of Learn English with Emma and Jones. My name is Emma.
And my name is Jones. We are so excited to start this journey with you. Our goal is to build a complete library of English lessons. And today, we start with the most important topic: greetings and introductions.
That's right. In this detailed 10-minute lesson, we will teach you how to say hello, ask how someone is, introduce yourselves, and we'll even have a quiz at the end.
Let's begin by listening to a simple conversation. We will speak slowly first.
Good morning, Jones.
Good morning, Emma. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. And you?
I'm great, thanks. It's nice to see you.
It's nice to see you too. By the way, this is my friend, David.
Hello, David. My name is Jones. Nice to meet you.
Okay, let's break down that conversation. It started with a formal greeting. Good morning. This is a polite and formal way to say hello in the morning.
If it is the afternoon, you say good afternoon. If it is the evening, you say good evening. These are more formal than the simple hello or hi.
Now, let's practice saying these greetings. Listen carefully, and then repeat the phrase during the pause. Ready? Let's start. Good morning.
Good. Now the next one. Good afternoon.
Excellent. And the last one. Good evening.
Great practice. Now, remember the common mistake. Do not use good night as a greeting. Good night is for saying goodbye only.
After the greeting, Jones asked a very important question. How are you? This is how you ask about a person's well-being.
There are many ways to answer. For example, I'm doing well, thank you. I'm fine, thanks. Or, I'm great.
The most important step is to ask the question back. You can say the full question, how are you? Or you can use the short and friendly phrase, and you?
Now it's your turn to practice. I will ask you the question. Please answer me out loud during the pause. Ready? Hello. How are you? Great job. I hope you remembered to ask, and you? At the end.
Next, let's talk about names and meeting new people. In the conversation, I introduced a new person by saying, "This is my friend, David."
And when I met David, I said, "Hello, David. My name is Jones. Nice to meet you." This is the perfect, polite introduction.
When someone says, "Nice to meet you," the best response is very simple. The word to means also. It is very friendly. You can also just say, you too.
Let's practice that. I will say the phrase, and you respond during the pause. Nice to meet you. You should have said, nice to meet you too. Perfect.
Okay, let's pause and review what we've learned so far. 1. We learned different greetings like good morning and hello.
2. We learned to ask, how are you, and to always respond with, and you?
3. We learned to introduce ourselves with my name is, and to be polite by saying nice to meet you.
You are building all the skills for a great first conversation.
Okay, let's listen to the whole conversation again, this time at a normal speed. Good morning, Jones.
Good morning, Emma. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. And you?
I'm great, thanks. It's nice to see you.
It's nice to see you too. By the way, this is my friend, David.
Hello, David. My name is Jones. Nice to meet you. Okay, time for a short quiz. Questioning. Question 1. You meet someone at 7 p.m. What is a formal greeting? The answer is B, good evening. Remember, good night is for saying goodbye.
Question 2. Someone asks you, "How are you?" You answer, "I'm fine, thanks." What should you say next? The answer is, "And you?" It's always polite to ask the question back. You did a great job. Fantastic work in this lesson. You have learned so much.
Grateful. Thank you for joining us for our first video. Farewell.
In our next lesson, Episode 2, we will teach you how to talk about your job. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss it. Goodbye.
Goodbye.